Hello my dear friends, my name is Naveen and today in this video we're back with another job update from Cipla, so one of the good pharma company in India. So in this video we're going to see two job openings for diploma in pharmacy and mechanical engineering candidates. So let us see the complete details in the video, so please watch the video completely. So we are first of all, this is the website of the Cipla. So Cipla, one of the Indian pharma leader of the year 2022. So coming to the job details, so these are the career page of the Cipla. So first of all, for junior operator packing, so you can see the job ID. So they are hiring for manufacturing division. It is a permanent job. So operate and maintain packaging machine. So your work is to operate the packaging machine and achieving the quality product. So there are some accountabilities that preparing the machine for packing operation and operating the packing machines by using minimum resources to get quality product, that is efficient use of the resources, and also perform packing machine operations safely to avoid safety incidences. So the educational qualification is diploma in pharmacy or engineering. So the relevant work experience, 2 years of experience. If you have a 2 years of experience in packing with knowledge of handling of QMS activity and other related documents, then you are eligible for this job opening. So there are also some skill sets which are mentioned here on the screen: good communication skills, productivity and result orientation, attitude, qualification, fitment, etc. Friends, the job location is Goa. So if you want to apply, please click apply now. So you will get the page like here. From there you can apply. So coming to another job opening from the same company for the manufacturing department only, and the job is executing the production operations in line with safety and GMP requirements to meet the manufacturing targets in shift. So the accountabilities include operating equipment efficiently without error and deviation as per SOP and meet the shift targets. Educational qualification is diploma in pharmacy or mechanical engineering, 2 years of experience. So you can also watch our another job update from Hetero in our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.